Hi, I'm Raisa.
And I'm Austin.
And you can find us on HGTV's First Home Fix. I absolutely never thought that I would do TV because it just never was like in my wheelhouse, but I guess it is because we did it.
I think it's still pretty surreal having a television series because we're both really passionate about our work, and when you're really passionate about something, you kind of build out your career in your mind and you think that this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to totally delve into this. And then to add a television layer on top of that was something that I definitely did not expect.
Doing the work we do while doing TV, that's triple the work because we are not only doing the work, but we're getting to know the client. We were on like the set and houses every day for like multiple hours post-shoot and before the shoot, just making sure that the craftsmanship and the quality was top-notch because we do not like signing our name to things that are gonna fall apart, especially when I was doing murals and they'd be like, Raisa, get up, go to the other room to talk to Austin.
Yeah, we've always been very hands-on with all our projects, so shooting television is all about the teamwork, and a big part of our work is flow, and a lot of that involves like shutting out everything else, so you don't really have the ability to do that with producers yelling at you 24/7. You know, how to be social, the work ethic, being aware of like the camera and the talking points, and also doing a really good job for the client. I feel like I've used every skill I've learned in life, but we're able to keep the quality very high on the finished builds and do it in record time.
Yeah, it was one of the hardest things, I think, to film a series that I've done in my life, but it was one of the most fun things, and I can't wait to do it again, hopefully.
Yeah. I feel like what's different about First Home Fix is that it's fully immersive for the client, and we spend a lot of time with them. We put tools in their hands, and we really break down and explain the process, and all the clients that we worked with were really great, and we had a lot in common with them, and even the times that were stressful and I was like, oh, here it comes, this is always the time when the client's like gonna totally freak out. Everybody seemed very eager to learn about what it is that we do, and we were eager to teach them. I feel like it was a really good vibe with everybody we worked with.
Yeah, generally Austin and I are very chill people, so when someone's like not on our vibe, we're like, what's wrong with you? So, but everyone was really, everyone was really fun, and it was great, and we had so much fun like destroying stuff together, creating stuff together, and have them do a lot of the work with us gave us a lot of time to like get to know them, and I think that's what makes our show different is that we really did form friendships with every one of our clients. I still message them today, so. You really understand how time is relative when you're on a TV schedule because you can do like a year's amount of work within 4 months, and I have no idea how it's possible.
Yeah, television schedule like bends the time-space continuum in some way I don't understand.
And you know, I hear when you really enjoy what you're doing that others will enjoy watching you do it. So I hope that that really shows.
Yeah, I mean, it's been a really long road, but we tried to turn the whole journey into a party.
Serious, I'm so excited for it.